In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on iPhone. So with the reset function to reset all your settings on iPhone, your iPhone will not be reset to the default settings or factory settings. Rather, all malfunctioning settings or features on your Samsung phone will be reset back to the default. So to reset all settings on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings and click on the general app, then scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset. Tap reset all settings. Then under reset all settings, you have access to reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. However, since we are interested in reset all settings, just click on reset all settings to reset these all settings. So once you click on that, all settings, other reset all settings will be resetted. Then click on that and then type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should see what that says enter your screen time passcode if you're using screen time on your device. However, if you're not using the screen time feature on your iPhone, you'll not see the screen. Then go ahead and type in your screen time passcode. Then tap reset all settings from the pop-up. There you go. Then you see a pop-up again that says, are you sure you want to continue? This reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Go ahead and tap reset all settings. So once you hit the reset all settings button, your iPhone will restart and you should see the progress while all your settings are being reset. Then you just need to hang on until you see the Apple logo again. Once the Apple logo comes up after a couple of seconds, your iPhone will load to the home screen. Then you should see a pop-up that says swipe to upgrade. If there's a need for that, in my own case, I was prompted to swipe to upgrade, then swipe to upgrade. Then type in your iPhone passcode. There you go. Your iPhone will start upgrading instantly if there is an upgrade available. As you can see, this might take a couple of seconds. And once everything is done, just swipe up and then type in your passcode to confirm. That is it. All your iPhone settings have been reset successfully. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.